By the end of the day, your man don't care if it's a little ill-fitting or if it's side boobs hanging out, because at the end of the day, it's coming off. If you want your booty to look like it's literally sitting, these leggings. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tianna Squarrel. If you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button right down below. Follow by clicking the bell that's right next to the subscribe button so you're notified on every single video I upload, because frankly, why wouldn't you want to be? I'm your bestie, you're my bestie, and if we're not besties, we're gonna be besties. So I'm gonna need you to hit the subscribe button plus the bell so you're notified every time your bestie or potential bestie uploads a new video. Lastly, give me a thumbs up and share this video because it truly helps me out a lot. Alright you guys, so welcome back to my channel. I am so shocked that I'm actually sitting down filming a sit down video, because I haven't filmed that and it feels like for freaking ever. Excuse my hair, it's jacked up. I've had this wig on for about like a week now, or I'm gassing it, like 3 days now. So it looks a little rough. My hair's a little crunchy because I have like hella mousse in it, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. It is mad late at night, but I know that I, want to stay consistent for you guys, and I'm gonna get out more videos. But yeah, I know you guys don't like long intros, so I'm not gonna do that. Today I'm gonna be doing my Amazon must-have, like Amazon favorites, like, or my Amazon pickups, just to show you guys what I've been picking up from Amazon. I've seen a lot of people do this, and I was like, you know what? I shop at Amazon a lot. I literally probably spend every single coin that I have at Amazon. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just show people what I buy, on the daily. So I have some clothing, some beauty, some like house slash like stress reliever things, as well as some tech slash like YouTube items that I personally got from Amazon to use for my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to see any of that, then please stay tuned. All right, y'all, so jumping right into this video. Like I said, y'all don't like long intros, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. So the first clothing pieces that I got, you guys actually seen them in my lingerie try-on haul. So if you didn't see that video, click the card up here somewhere and it'll take you to that video, so you can go watch that video. Make sure you thumbs up that video, make sure you share the video, whatever. But it's just some lingerie pieces that I had got from there. I got this black one, this whole black little two-piece set, and then this red two-piece set. Matter of fact, I'll pop a picture right here, but like I said, click the card up here so you can go to the actual video and see how it's on my body and see my actual review for this. I actually like these lingerie sets. And the thing about these, like, at first I was kind of like iffy. If you watch my lingerie haul, you'll see I was kind of like iffy. But at the end of the day, your man don't care if it's a little ill-fitting or if it's side boobs hanging out, because at the end of the day, it's coming off. So yeah, if you are looking for some inexpensive lingerie for curvy women, check out Amazon because they have the stuff. So the next thing that I have clothing wise is my workout leggings. I have these leggings in literally every single color that they sell from this particular seller. So y'all need to check these leggings out. If you want your booty to look like it's literally sitting or like literally eating your leggings, you have to pick up these leggings from Amazon. These are the leggings right here, and if you can tell, leggings, they have like ruching in the butt area, and it makes your butt just look so much more like juicier and just like so if you want your booty to be sitting even while you working out, these leggings is for you. And I'm telling you, these are definitely for my curvy girls. Okay, so now that I showed you a little bit of clothing items that I got or whatever, I'm gonna go next to beauty. So the first thing I want to talk about for beauty is this travel mirror. I don't know if you really want to call it a travel mirror, because I wouldn't carry this like in my carry-on, but I would carry it like in my check luggage or whatever. But this is just a really nice mirror. Me personally, like when I'm in a hotel or like when I'm traveling, I'm gonna tell you, I do not like sitting at the bathroom mirror. I personally like to do my makeup on the floor, even at home. I have this big vanity mirror right here, and normally I use this mirror that's right behind me to do my makeup. I sit on the floor, do my makeup, do my hair. I don't know why, maybe it's just a comfort thing. So with this, when I'm traveling, I can use this and it works just as fine, and you could just set it up on like a little table or set it up even on a chair and put it right in front of you and do your makeup. It's so cute and it's so inexpensive, and I like the fact that it's like leather. It's just like, I don't know, like I like this. I feel like it's very, very sleek, very, very just it. So yeah, so this is my cute little travel, it's not little, but this is my travel mirror, and I literally take this every single where I go. So the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is these hair clips. So these hair clips are like my go-to hair clips, and I don't know about y'all, but I literally always either lose my hair clips or my combs. I lose it, like, you know how some people say they always losing their socks? No, I'm always losing like hair clips. But the reason why I like these is because I like the fact how they just like literally slide in. Like it just slides in, whereas though with my other hair clips, these hair clips right here, I don't like the way that they are, and I just don't like the way that they're made. So these are like my go-to hair clips. I get these from Amazon all the freaking time, and they come in a pack of 12. Next thing is spoolies for your eyelashes. So I had tried out eyelash extensions, and I don't really know if I like them or not or whatever. I kind of like strips better, but when I tried out them, I noticed that like my lash tech had only gave me one, like, what is this, one spoolie, like one disposable spoolie, and I'm like, how the hell am I supposed to just like keep this and it be sanitary for 2-3 weeks? That's how long the lashes are supposed to last. Why would I be using the same exact spoolie to comb out my lashes for 3, like, that's just nasty. So I went and picked up this whole pack of spoolies from Amazon. I think it was like $5 or $6 for this whole pack, and I think it comes with like 100 spoolies in here for like $5 or $6. It was no more than $10. So if you wear lash extensions, get these, period. So while we're on the topic of lashes, you guys, like I said, I think I like strip lashes better than lash extensions. I know buying lashes can be expensive, especially like strip lashes. It can become expensive because like you have to pay like what, $20 to $30 per lash, and it's just like, anybody got $30 to spend on one pair of lashes? So I went and picked up these lashes from Amazon. They were $10 for a pack of 14 lashes. And I like these lashes because the band is actually really, really thick. I love a thick band. I don't like one of those flimsy bands because I don't know how to put on lashes that good, so I need a thicker band. This whole pack of lashes was only, I think, $10 tops. So these are really, really cute. Check them out. I was just telling you guys that I always lose my combs. So I buy backup rat tail combs just in case I lose them. Then these are like my backup right now. I haven't opened these ones yet because I haven't lost the other ones yet, but I buy multiple packs of rat tail combs because I always lose them. Like my hair stuff, I always lose it, and I don't know where it goes. It's just, it disappears. So yeah. So the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is this pack of razors. I have been really into my skincare lately. Like obviously I've taken care of my skin as much as I could, but I've been like detrimental into like I've been like really, really, really into skincare. And I like these because these help me with touching up my eyebrows. I don't get my eyebrows waxed because I don't really have eyebrows to get waxed. And then I also, y'all, I get a little chin hair, so I use these to shave my chin hair, as well as just like trimming like the hair on my face. I feel like when you shave your face, it actually makes your makeup lay super, super flat. So these are really, really, these are like a necessity for like, if you got a little 5 o'clock shadow, got a little bit of peach fuzz on your face, these are like a good necessity. And I used to buy the twinkle razors, I think that's what they're called, but it was more expensive to buy them because this is way more inexpensive because you get this pack of 40 for like $10 versus that pack of 3 for like $5 or however much it was. But these are like my go-to razors. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this portable fan. I have been using this. I believe, who put me onto this? Jaclyn Hill was actually talking about using a fan in her makeup routine, and y'all, I feel like this has changed the game for me or whatever, because I literally drown myself in freaking setting spray, and I feel like the little hand fan just doesn't do it for me. So with this, you literally turn it on and it has like 3 settings, and it blows out, oh my god, this air feels so good. It blows out very cool air, obviously, or whatever, but it literally helps you dry your setting spray super, super faster. It's just really cute to just throw in your bag. Well, obviously can't fit in like a small bag, but you could throw it in like, you know, your little carry-on, and then like if you're traveling or whatever. This is literally like a must-have in your makeup routine. All right, you guys, so while we're still on the topic of beauty, you guys know that back when the pandemic first happened, everything closed down. No nail salons or nothing was open, and I was just like, yo, what am I gonna do? I wasn't wearing tips at the time. I'm wearing them now just to make my nails more healthier and let them grow back healthier. But the whole 6 or 7 months in the house, I was using this gel machine to do my gel nail polish, and this thing is like the best thing that ever happened to me. I still do my toes on my own. I just recently got a pedicure at the nail salon, but for the most part, I do my toes on my own with my gel machine, and it saves a lot of money. So I got this on Amazon. I think it was like $30, or it could have been less. I'm not exactly sure, but I got this on Amazon, and I feel like this is a good necessity to have just in case you can't get to the nail salon, or the nail salon's booked up and you're like, you know what, I gotta do it myself. So I definitely think you should check this out. And while we're on the topic of gel nail polishes and gel machines, I brought so many gel nail polishes from Amazon. I can't take them all out of here, but if you see right here, I got a bunch of D&D nail polishes from Amazon, and it comes with the regular nail polish, and it also comes with the gel nail polish. So I got a bunch of sets from Amazon, and like I said, everything in this video is gonna be linked down below, but I got a bunch of these sets from Amazon, and I think it was like $10 for 2 polishes, the regular polish and the gel polish. Okay, and then the last thing that I wanted to show you guys from Amazon that deals with nails is this cuticle oil. I feel like when you're doing your nails at home, you definitely need to have some type of cuticle oil. I feel like literally when you do your nails with the gel polish and you put cuticle oil on, it literally looks like you went to the salon. So I picked up this one. I think it was like $6. Really good cuticle oil, and I really like it. So that was all my stuff for my beauty. Now I'm gonna be going into a few household items. Didn't really pick up too much household stuff, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. My household slash like stress-free items. So I feel like everybody has already heard about this, but I'm gonna talk about it anyway. The electric lighter is a game changer. This little thing literally lights candles so fast. All you do is you put it on like that, and it lights up blue right there, and it tells you how charged it is, and you literally just press this on button, and listen. I don't know if you can hear that or if you even seen that, but it does like this little electrical spark, and it literally lights your candles like that. So I showed y'all that one household item that I got from Amazon, but these are some of my stress relief things. As you guys know, I suffer from anxiety and depression. I'm getting better at it. I'm actually doing really, really good. But when I'm going through like little just depressing times, whatever, I try to read books, or I try to like find other outlets to let out my stress. So I really love this book from Amazon. I brought this book up probably like a month or 2 ago, and I read this book, and it literally, I don't want to give it away, but if you're just into, you know, church and stuff like that or whatever, I definitely think this is a really good book for you. Even if you're not really into church and you just need a good read, I really think this can definitely help you when it comes to like anxiety and depression and self-doubt and stuff like that, and just telling you things that you, when you feel like you can't do things, this is the book for you. I'm just, little plug, Pastor Steve, love him, love his sermons, everything. So yeah, so just check this book out. It's on Amazon. So another thing that I do when I'm trying to relieve stress is I actually color. I used to really, really be into art as a kid. I loved drawing. My brother is actually a super, super good artist. My brother just drew me like a picture of me a couple months ago, and I thought it was really, really cute. And it just reminded me how much I loved art, and like I love drawing or whatever. So I went and I brought like some adult coloring books or whatever, and I also bought these little markers to color with, and it really helps just with like relieving stress and, you know, just getting through rough times or whatever. I feel like this literally helps me take my mind off that, as well as like, you know, just drawing and stuff like that too. I do have some sketchbooks and stuff like that from Amazon as well. So yeah, all that stuff will be linked down below. Okay, so now to some of the tech things that I got from Amazon. One of these things I picked up literally 2 years ago, but I feel like I just wanted to tell you guys about it because I don't know if people know about it. I mean, I think people do, but if they don't, I'm gonna let you know. This little thing right here literally is a lifesaver. If you record voiceovers, and yeah, if you record voiceovers for YouTube or just any type of voiceovers that you're recording, I feel like the Blue Snowball is literally the best mic to do voiceovers with, especially if you're on a budget. This mic, I believe, is around like $60 or I'm not exactly sure. Like I said, I'll link it down below. I got this literally 2 years ago, but this is really good for when you're doing, maybe you're doing like a makeup tutorial or something like that, and you don't like the audio, so you want to do a voiceover instead. This mic is everything. When I first started doing YouTube, I used to use the Apple headphones and would talk into that little mic right there, and it gives you like this little like raspy slash, like, the audio is not good, but when you record with this little guy right here, it is game changer. Game changer. So if you are trying to start YouTube, or if you just want to do YouTube and you want to do voiceovers, or if you're not doing YouTube and you just are filming videos that you have to do voiceovers for and you're on a budget, this microphone right here will be a really good investment. Like I said, I've had this for 2 years. I've had this since 2018, so it works. All right, so the next tech item that I have is this selfie tripod right here. It has a Bluetooth remote, and this helps me with like recording my videos. Anytime I take a picture, normally I record it and then I screenshot my picture. So with this or whatever, I can just position my camera wherever I want to, walk away, press record. Or if I'm trying to take a picture and I don't have anybody to take it for me, this is really good because you could just put this in your hand, hide it, and then click the button like that and it'll take a picture. It is Bluetooth, so it connects to your phone, and it's super inexpensive. So the next item that I want to talk to you guys about is literally just this card holder. If you're a YouTuber or anybody who has cameras and has multiple SD cards, you literally need this one. And especially if you're a traveling YouTuber or a traveling like photographer or somebody who just has like a lot of SD cards and you travel a lot, this is really smart to have. You literally can just open it up and store your SD cards in here. I actually have one in here, all my other SD cards in here, and I just keep them in my drawer, whether I'm moving around the house or just trying to edit multiple videos from different cameras, because I do film on this big camera for sit down videos, and then I do film on my vlog camera for try on hauls and stuff like that or whatever. So I have multiple SD cards. Obviously I'm using one right now, and then my other one is in my vlog camera, but then I also have this one as well. So this is just really good to have to keep your footage safe or whatever. You want to keep your SD cards safe. You don't want them to be able to get damaged. You don't want to get border damage or anything. This is a necessity if you are anybody that deals with cameras and deals with having a lot of SD cards. It's a necessity. So besties, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing what my Amazon must-haves are and some of the things that I pick up from Amazon. If you have some Amazon must-haves, or if you have just some items that you want me to check out from Amazon, comment them down below. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Period, poo. I need to stop saying that shit. I like a clown.